Hello everyone, I am Shivani Patil. Welcome back to my channel Study In. In our previous video, we have seen some of the questions of the exercise 13.1. In this video, we will begin with the fourth question. The question is, a machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? In this question, it is given that a machine fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. So we need to find out how many bottles it will fill in 5 hours. So we will assume let X be the bottles fill in 5 hours. So time taken upon number of bottles. Time taken here is 6 hours, number of bottles are 840. Here time taken is 5 hours and number of bottles we need to find out. So we will take it as X. So 6 upon 840 is equal to 5 upon X, which further on doing cross multiplication gives 6 into X is equal to 5 into 840. X is equal to 5 into 840 upon 6, which when divided gives 700. So therefore 700 bottles will it fill in 700 bottles it will fill in 5 hours. Hope you understand this question. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. A photograph of bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 cm. What is actual length of the bacteria? If the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only, what would be the enlarged length? In this question, it is given that there is a photograph of bacteria which is when enlarged means zoom, so it becomes 50,000 times. Okay, and the length is 5 cm. So we need to find out the actual length of bacteria first, and then we need to find out that if the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times, what would be the enlarged length? So actual length is equal to 5 upon 50,000, which is equal to 1 upon 10,000. This can also be written as 10 raised to minus 4. So actual length here is 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. Now we have found the actual length of the bacteria. Now we need to find out that if the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times, what would be the enlarged length? So here now length of bacteria is 5 centimeter, and bacteria when enlarged becomes 50,000. Now here it is given enlarged 20,000 times. So we need to find out the length of the bacteria. So we will do cross multiplication. We need to find here in direct proportion, we need to write it down first. 5 upon 50,000, which is equal to X upon 20,000. Now X into 50,000 is equal to 20,000 into 5. X is equal to 20,000 into 5 upon 50,000, which gives 2. So 2 centimeter is the enlarged length of the bacteria. So hope you understand this question. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. In a model of a ship, the mast is 9 meter high while the mast of an actual ship is 12 meter high. If length of ship is 28 meter high, how long is model ship? In this question, the actual ship's mast is 12 meter and length is 28 meter, and that of a model ship mast is 9 meter and length we need to find out. So let x be the length of model ship, length of the model ship. So according to the question, height of mast, length of ship, and here model ship, actual ship. See, the model ship's height is 9 meter and length we need to find out, so we will take it as x, and the actual ship's it is 12 meter and length is 28 meters. So therefore 9 upon x is equal to 12 upon 28. X into 12 is equal to 28 into 9. X is equal to 28 into 9 upon 12, which when divided further gives 21 meter. So therefore length of model ship is 21 meter. Hope you understand this one. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. Suppose 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 raised to power 6 crystals. How many sugar crystals are there in first 5 kg of sugar? So we will assume number of sugar crystals in 5 kg of sugar as x. So here number of sugar crystals, then weight of sugar, So here the number of sugar crystals is 9 into 10 raised to power 6 for 2 kg of sugar. So we need to find out how much it is for 5 kg of sugar. Here the weight of sugar is 5 and we need to find out the number of sugar crystals here. As it is in direct proportion, so it is going to be 9 into 10 raised to power 6 upon 2 is equal to x upon 5. 9 into 10 raised to power 6 into 5 upon 2 is equal to x. Now further it is going to be 2.25 into 10 raised to power 7. So therefore 2.25 into 10 raised to power 7 is number of sugar crystal in 5 kg of sugar. Now let's go to the second bit of this question. In the second bit, it is asked to find out number of sugar crystals in 1.5 kg of sugar. So let number of sugar crystal in 5 kg of sugar, in 1.5 kg of sugar be X. So here now number of sugar crystal here is 9 into 10 raised to power 6, and in weight of sugar is 5 kg. Now we need to find out number of sugar crystals in 1.5 kg of sugar. So as it is in direct proportion, 9 into 10 raised to power 6 upon 5 is equal to x upon 1.5. 9 into 10 raised to power 6 into 1.5 upon 5 is equal to x. And further dividation, it becomes 5.4 into 10 raised to power 6. So here number of sugar crystal in 1.5 kg of sugar is equal to 5.4 into 10 raised to power 6. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometers. She drives on a road of 72 kilometers. What would be her distance covered in map? So Rashmi is having a road map in which 1 centimeter represents 18 kilometers. Now she drives on a road of 72 kilometers. So she need to find her distance she would be covering in the map. So scale in centimeter, distance covered in kilometers, distance covered in kilometers. So scale in centimeter is 1 and distance covered is 18. So scale in centimeter, here we don't know, so we'll write it as x, and distance covered is 72 kilometers. As it is proportional, it is going to be 1 upon 18 equal to x upon 72. 1 upon 18 into 72 is equal to x. Now x is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, the distance covered in map is 4 centimeter. This is for today's video. I hope that you understood all the questions. Now in the next video we will see the further questions. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.